if I simply want to trace you, to feel your color on my hand, and if I simply can't erase you from all my simple future plans, and if I always want to call you, hear the softness in your voice, well, I just simply want to love you and simply feel I lack a choice. I know that you feel this, and you simply are the same. It doesn't have to be complicated. It's as simple as me and you. Love's a symphony already orchestrated. We can sing along when we say I do. If we simply start a family and scrape the barrel to get by, that will simply be enough for me to find meaning in this life. We know that forever just not long enough. It doesn't have to be complicated. It's as simple as me and you. Love's a symphony already orchestrated. We can sing along when we say I do. Say I do. It doesn't have to be complicated.
We thank you once again for choosing to fly with Fiji Airways today. We hope that you have a safe and pleasant flight. I think we're not going to go any summer there.
Have a safe flight. Bye-bye.
Thank you. See you next time. Bula.
Straight. Sliding down. Thank you.
Hola. Hola.
Istanbul of Thank you. Would you like pizza and that?
It's as simple as me and you. Love's a symphony already orchestrated. We can sing along when we say I do. When we say I do.
We request your assistance by stowing all cabin baggage under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartments. Our cabin crew will be happy to assist. Vinaka.
Look, in the main forecast is smooth, however, quite common on this route between 10 degrees south and north of the equator, get a little bit of light turbulence. So even if the seatbelt sign's turned off, please ensure your seatbelt is comfortably fastened at all times. Good news is weather in Los Angeles on arrival, fine conditions and a very pleasant 19 degrees Celsius. We are ready to lock up and go, but unfortunately due to the very quick trip we can't land until 5 minutes or 30 minutes before our scheduled arrival time, so we get fined if we get in there before 30 minutes. So we'll be landing just after 30 minutes before our scheduled estimate time of arrival. So in the meantime, sit back, relax, enjoy the service, and we'll get back to you now just before top of descent into Los Angeles, let you get some sleep. Bulabanaka.
Nadi Fiji on this service. It is my pleasure to welcome you to our home on board Fiji Airways FJ810, and this flight is a code-share flight with the partners Qantas, American Airlines, Air New Zealand and British Airways, now bound for Los Angeles. A very special welcome is extended to Tambua Club and Tambua Plus Club members, our One World Emerald and Sapphire members, and guests of our frequent flyer programs. In command tonight, Captain Peter Summersby. With him in the flight deck, First Officer Jason Young and Second Officer Chesley Yee. And as the Captain had mentioned, flight time across to Los Angeles is 9 hours and 50 minutes. Flight time once again tonight, 9 hours and 50 minutes, covering a distance of 8,886 kilometers. Your flight crew will be talking to you later from the flight path. We will be taking update on the weather and other details. In preparation for takeoff, please ensure that your seatbelt is now securely fastened. Seat back is in its upright position and the tray tables locked away. For your safety, ladies and gentlemen, we remind you that all your in-cabin baggage must now be stowed securely under the seat in front of you in the lockers provided. Please note that smoking is not permitted at any time during this flight. And once again, if you're carrying a mobile phone, please ensure that it is now in the flight mode. Vinaka, and welcome aboard. Ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes' time, we will be commencing our descent into Los Angeles. I'd like to remind all our guests to check that all your arrival documents are completed and it's ready for inspection by the local customs authority. gentlemen, a very good afternoon and welcome to Los Angeles. Local time now is coming up to 5 minutes to 1 on Sunday afternoon, the 5th of May. Outside temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. We are now approaching the terminal building, and for your safety, it is a requirement that you remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop outside our designated gate, and the fastened seatbelt sign above you have been switched off. Before leaving us, please do check your seat pockets and the overhead lockers for all your belongings. Be careful when opening any overhead locker, as items placed in them may have moved during the flight and also during our landing. To comply with the local agriculture and quarantine regulations and to prevent the introduction of harmful insects into the country, all food items in your possession must be declared or disposed in the quarantine bins in the arrival concourse. All aircraft food must be left on board. On arrival at the terminal building, our ground handling staff will be at the door area and also at the baggage hall should you need any assistance. Further bookings on Fiji Airways can be done by calling our reservation and sales office or by logging on to our Fiji Airways website. And on behalf of Captain John Somersby, First Officer Jason Young and Second Officer Chesley Yee and the entire cabin team this afternoon, we do trust that you've enjoyed our Fiji Airways in-flight hospitality. Vinaka Vakalevu for choosing to fly with Fiji's international airline, and our co-chair partners Qantas, American Airlines, Air New Zealand and British Airways. We do look forward to taking care of you next time you choose to fly with us. Once again, on behalf of the entire cabin team, we say goodbye, namaste, and Ni Samode.